For today's video, we will demonstrate the process of logging out of all devices on Brawl Stars. If you are interested, let's begin the tutorial. To start, access the Brawl Stars mobile application. Once you are in the app, click on the 3-bar icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a bit and click on Supercell ID. You should now be able to see your profile. At the top right corner of your profile picture, you will see a gear icon. Click on it, and you will be presented with some information about your account. Scroll down until you see the Logout option and click on it. Finally, hit the Confirm button to log out. The process is relatively simple and straightforward. We hope this video has been helpful.